My name is Roger Comte and I hold a bachelor degree in biotechnology and a master degree in biological engineering. For me, science is a way to exploit my curiosity, keep learning, and hopefully a way to contribute to society. In a nutshell, my role in this for all is comparing the people that suffer this degeneration and the people that do not, and try to find their biological differences. After this for all project is finished, I'm going to try to find a postdoc position, and in the long term probably I will try to go to industry to do private research.